Bonjour les amis, today I'm going to teach you how to do a chicken stock. In the last video, I teach you how to cut your chicken in 8 pieces. Now we're going to use the leftover to do your chicken stock. So to do your chicken stock, what you need? You need the leftover of your chicken. So you will remove the legs, the wings, the breast. I keep this little bit piece as well. You need some celery, carrot, onions, garlic, gloves, and some leeks, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of water. So first things to do, take your pans, put everything inside. So we're going to cut this leftover like that. It doesn't matter where you could cut it, but you need to cut it. So you put your pieces in your pan. You change your board because I'm going to do some vegetable now. When you cut your carrot, you don't need to cut it in thin. Celery, the same. You put your garlic. You put your glove inside like that. Your onions. It doesn't too much matter for this recipe, but we do like that. Like that, when we remove the onion, we are sure we remove the gloves at the same time. You put some leeks, a bouquet garni. You put some salt, pepper, and you put cold water. Everything inside, cold water. Put your heat on. And that should be reduced and cool slowly for 1 hour, 1 hour and 10. Okay, 1 hour pass, so time to time we scamp the water to clean little bit, but now our chicken stock is finished. So what you need to do is just to put, look how beautiful is this juice. You put like that. Voilà. And you have your chicken stock. So in this channel we are trying to have no waste. We're trying to use everything because everything have a cost. If you buy a chicken stock, it's going to cost you money. But you have things to do it very easy and simple as well. So chicken stock done. As usual, if you have any comment, put in below. If you like our video, push the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and bon appétit et à la prochaine. Merci. Bye.